Okay, welcome to this quick tutorial on setting up your GitHub account and getting all your student benefits within it. Okay, just set up, choose your username. It can be whatever. And then enter your email address. I encourage you to do your private email. That way you can continue using the account after you've graduated from NMBU or left if you're here on exchange. Just go with the free version, and you don't need to check any of the boxes. Here, just check off whatever is appropriate for your situation. The what are you interested in fields is basically, you can put in like the programming languages you like to use. I would suggest putting in Python to start with, but I think you can edit this later anyhow. Okay, when you click submit, you need to verify your email. Just do that quickly, and you're basically done. Creating a repository, we can do that later, so you don't need to worry about it. Now you want to go to the URL education.github.com. I think it will pop up on screen shortly. Yeah, here we go. Click the student developer pack. Click get the pack, and you want to go for the student benefits. Click student. Here you want to add your institutional email address. So that will be something@nmbu.no. You have to complete some extra steps to claim this email address, but it's very self-explanatory. It will even warn you about it. As you can see, your username at NMBU is already, it's not in use, but it's not mine. So I won't be able to show you this, but it should be easy. Now, after you submit this information, you should receive an email within an hour. It might take a bit longer, but for me, it took around 10 minutes. Okay, so now I'm quickly just going to guide you through installing GitKraken and authenticating it and linking it up with your GitHub account. So just hit install and download whatever operating system version you want. After that, you're just going to open the program, and then you want to sign in with GitHub. Let's see. And if you have received the confirmation mail from the student developer pack, you just want to continue authorization and click authorize Axosoft here. And after this has done its thing, you should get a success, and your GitKraken installation will now be linked to GitHub. Okay, now we want to set up your Git profile. Just write your name in the profile name, or you could write school, which is what it's for. So just enter your name here, and in the email field, be sure to enter your NMBU email, which I see that I'm not doing, but you should be something@nmbu.no. And after that's saved, you're done. And, well, you need to agree to this, I guess. And then I'll see you guys in class. Okay, bye.